Action.
Hello, today I'm going to make almond milk. So you need a jar or something to put the water in. You need 1 cup of delicious almonds, and then you need 2 cups of water. And if you don't want to spill it, you can use a funnel. So first, we pour the 2 cups of water into the jar. Then we take the funnel and put the 1 cup of almonds in.
What? Okay, and then what?
And then it soaks like 12 hours. Hello, this is part 2 of homemade almond milk. You need the almonds that soaked overnight. You need 5 cups of water, a strainer, and a bowl. And a blender, and a blender cap. You need an adult for this part. First, we pour the almonds in the drainer which is put. Then we put the almonds in here. Then we pour the water
Careful.
in here.
Okay, you need help with this part?
Yes. So now that it is blended, it has to be a smooth liquid. You can add honey or vanilla if you like. Okay. That's the end of my video. That's how you make almond milk.